morning everyone, I'm Orly Darnaila from Baybayin Hub, and we would like to invite you on our second Nomadscape that will be held somewhere in North Luzon of the Philippines. By the way, we would like to thank our first batch of Nomadscape, we call them the Boss Babes, to the speakers, attendees, participants, to the venue resort partner, and to our team. Thank you so much. Without you guys, we cannot have this amazing experience. If you are a digital nomad, remote worker, freelancer, online entrepreneur, or would like to co-work and co-live with like-minded individuals, this is definitely for you. If you want to know more about us, please visit our website. Check nyo na lang sa baba. And we are looking forward to see you on August and have an amazing experience with us. Thank you so much and cheers!